Hello everyone, what is up? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. This is Aramdela, and if you've been following this channel for a while, you realize that we started live trading together. Now there's a very beautiful trade that we called out that we hit over 100 plus pips on the market, and I'm going to be showing you guys a breakdown. I'm going to be showing you guys into detail how we caught this trade. So without further ado, if you're new to this channel, all I want you to do is to hit that subscribe button, like, and leave a comment. And if you are new to trading, just check the link in my description below and open up your broker using the partner code ARAM to register. Now let's dive right into how we got over 160 plus pips on the market trading gold. Let's get right at it. So basically, this is currently a chart work of what I'm actually going through on the market right now. We were live trading today, but we missed this opportunity just by 8 pips. And guess what, guys? This market has gone about 100 plus pips right now, even as we speak. So I'm going to be opening up another chart and be showing you guys the exact values where I called out my sell opportunities on the market. So I'm going to clear out this whole chart and I'm going to look out for the values where I called out a trade. If you come to my Telegram community, you're going to see that I called out a trade idea, and this is the exact figures that I put out into the group, or you can even check the free group. You're going to find it over there. So I called this trade out yesterday, and yesterday was Tuesday at exactly 2:36 p.m. That was around New York session. So I'm going to look for my vertical tool. So I'm going to be looking at yesterday, since today is Wednesday and yesterday was Tuesday. So Tuesday around 2, right? This is somewhere around this area. Now let's figure out what exactly I was looking out for on the chart. Okay, so I'm going to have my replay tool, right? And in 30 minutes, we are going to be finding out how I was able to call out this particular trade. Now, the market has been pushing up on the 30 minutes for a while now. If you come on the 4-hour time frame, you clearly see that this market, kind of broke structure from this particular zone over here. What do I mean by that? Because anytime the market is in a downtrend, the market is always going to be showing a series of what lower highs and then what lower lows. We're going to see lower highs, lower lows, we're going to see lower highs, and we're going to see lower lows, right? So if you look at the highest point that this lower high went, is currently this particular area, right? And more importantly, we are looking to see if the market will not break above that particular area. Now, most of the time, if we see a break like this, but the market closes below that zone, it's still a strong indication that this market is still going to continue to the downside. So this is more of an indication of the market telling us that, hey, I can actually respect this resistance, and if I close below this resistance, I'm going to keep selling over here. So I looked on the 30 minutes time frame, looking out for strong bearish indications, and whilst I was waiting for that opportunity on the market, I was not getting any until I saw out this particular move coming up. So at 12:30, I scaled down to the 5 minutes time frame to see if I was going to find in one of my favorite market opportunities. Now, if you actually look at this particular trade idea, you realize that this particular area, on an intraday perspective, price kept showing series of highs, lows, highs, lows, highs, lows, highs, and then this was the area where price kind of broke structure, right? But we see that price was supposed to retest this area and continue further, but price was pushing up. So the question I want to be asking is that, what is price looking for up there? So there could be opportunity that, okay, market can actually wanting to be respecting this particular zone right here. So I was going to mark this zone here, and I said if price decides to not break this area, I'm going to be jumping in for sell. So right over here, I saw rejection candles, and right over here, when I saw this candle pattern on the 5 minutes with this strong closure without a wick, if you understand candlestick patterns, you realize that this has to be one of the perfect opportunities you can ever find. Now guess what, guys? The major reason why I actually entered this trade was because I knew that there was a complete break of structure in this zone, so I knew that the buyers could not hold any longer. But look at the rejections, look at the rejections, look at the rejections, look at the rejections. And to top it all, we had a strong closure. So what did I do? I said that, okay, I'm going to put my entry right at this side. Where's my stop loss going to be? A little above what? The high. And so if you come to the 15 minutes time frame, right, you're going to see that I'm going to have at least 100 plus pips movement. Now let me come back to the 5 minutes time frame. Let's see how this trade played out. So next 5 minutes candle, and then all of a sudden price gave us some beautiful push for about 50 pips, and I announced it in the free community. I'm like, gold is currently screaming 50 pips, so we had a stop loss just below this area. And I have a rule that says that anytime that you are risking a trade, so for example, in this case we are risking 34 pips and then we are up 50 pips, it means that we have passed 1:1 risk to reward. So at this point, you take some partials and you allow your trade to run break even. So at this point, you are running risk free, and let's see what happened next. And guys, that was a very beautiful trading opportunity right there, where the market decided to give us a beautiful 140 pip move on the market. Significant move. Right now, this has to be one of my favorite entry models on the market, and we are doing this regularly in the free group. So if you're new to trading, you don't really understand what happened just in this explanation of this video, take your time, make sure to join the MarketGod community, and also create an Exness account using the partner code ARAM, because there's a lot coming in stock for you guys. If you're under my partnership code, you had a chance to join my beginners class completely for free. So I'm ready to teach you guys, to take you guys on the journey. And as you guys know, I've been trading gold for the past 5 years consistently, not looking at any other pair, just focused on gold all the time. So what best can you have than to have the best gold trader with you right here on this channel? So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. My name is Aram Dela. Peace out.